song we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club!
Fire engine, fire engine. Hi, I'm Eep, and today I'm a firefighter. Have you ever pretended to be a firefighter? Are you brave? Are you strong? Do you help people in trouble? Do you like big trucks? Me too! I have all my gear ready in case of an emergency. I have my helmet, my jacket, and my big red fire engine. Do you hear that sound? That sound means someone needs our help. Come on, let's go. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Ee-oh, it's an emergency. Ee-oh, my cat's stuck in that tree. Red lights, blue lights, go up and down. Lights on the fire truck go around and around. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Honk, 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 move out of the way. Honk, 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 we've gotta save the day. There's a fire in the town, so we've gotta move fast. Fire truck is coming through, let that fire engine pass. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Ee-oh, it's an emergency. Ee-oh, my cat's stuck in that tree. Red lights, blue lights, go up and down. Lights on the fire truck go around and around. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Whew, that was quite a day. Firefighter Eep here. What's the emergency?
Eep, it's Mary. My cat is missing again, and Jack can't find his cat either.
Uh-oh. Did you check the trees? Did you hear that? Mary, hold on a second. Mary, looks like your cats wanted to ride in my fire engine. Don't worry, I'll bring them back. So, looks like you two like my fire engine as much as I do. Okay, fire cats. Want me to put on the lights? Okay, here we go. Six in the bed. Baba, do you have any sixes?
Yes.
Eep, you win!
I win? I win!
See, I told you sleepovers were fun.
Is this your first ever sleepover?
Yeah, I guess so.
You're going to love it. Sleepovers at Mary's house are the best.
Okay, I've got extra pillows. Oh, perfect.
I'm so sleepy. Well, it looks like it's time for bed.
Okay, so it's a little tight, but can you believe all 6 of us fit? Actually, why is it that little Mary has such a big bed?
I guess I'll grow into it, right? Sweet dreams, everybody. I don't think I'm sleepy yet. Anyone want to play one more game?
Oh, it's okay, Eep. I know it can be kind of hard to go to sleep when you're not in your own bed.
I guess it is kind of different.
Maybe a bedtime song would help.
Ooh, do you know the one about 6 kids all in one bed?
There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night, good night.
Now that's fast asleep.
He looks so peaceful.
So, where do we sleep now? I don't want to wake him up.
Mary, do you have any sleeping bags? Of course. I know it can be hard to sleep when you're not in your own bedroom.
But it's nothing a good song won't fix.
Or a good story. Or good friends.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep tight.
12 months in a year. Oh, hi! You're just in time to help us celebrate the new year.
It's time to say goodbye to December.
And hello to January and a brand new year. Do you know how many months are in a year? That's right! 12!
Look at the time.
It's almost midnight.
12 months in a year, 12 months, count them here. Sing with me this year-long song. Say their names, then count along. 12 months in a year, 12 months, count them here. Sing with me this year-long song. Say their names, then count along. January is number 1.
February is number 2.
March is number 3. Say the months and count with me.
April is number 4.
May is number 5.
June is number 6. Half the months are in the mix.
12 months in a year, 12 months, count them here. Sing with me this year-long song. Say their names and count along. 12 is number 8.
September is number 9. Way to go, you're doing fine.
October is number 10.
November is 11. December is number 12. We sang the months all by ourselves.
12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me this year-long song. Say their names and count along. 12 months in a year, 12 months. Count them here, sing with me this year-long song. Say their names and count along. The 12 months, the 12 months, the 12 months, the 12 months.
Look, it's almost time.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Brother John.
Bonjour. ¿Cómo allez-vous? Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Hello. I'm learning French and Spanish. I'm going to imagine that I'll visit England, France, and Spain. Will you imagine with me?
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Fray Felipe, duermes tú, suena la campana, tin tan tan, tin tan tan. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Morning bells are ringing,
I just love to use my imagination, don't you? Thanks for playing pretend with me. Au revoir. Adios. Goodbye.
Apples and bananas.
Hey! Does that say silly supermarket?
It sure does. But how can a supermarket be silly?
I don't know, but I want to find out.
I have an idea. Let's go inside and buy some fruit for our picnic.
Yum! Let's go! All I see is regular fruit. Nothing silly here.
Not silly, but delicious. Look, apples and bananas.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like like to oot, 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 ooples and banoo-noos. I like to oot, 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 ooples and banoo-noos. I like to oot, 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 ooples and banoo-noos. I like to oot, 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 ooples and banoo-noos.
Now that's what I call a silly supermarket.
You think these fruits are funny? Listen to my joke. What do you call an apple that plays the trumpet?
I don't know.
A tutti frutti!
Little Bunny Foo Foo.
Mother Goose, may I take 3 bunny hops forward?
Yes, you may.
1, 2, 3. Aw, did you see that, Eep? What a sweet little bunny.
Well, I don't know, Bo Peep. Not all bunnies are sweet. Remember the story of Little Bunny Foo Foo?
Oh yeah, I do. That was one tough bunny.
Yeah, he sure was.
Hey, do you want to tell the story using our hands?
Sure, join us.
Little bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I'll give you 3 chances, and then I'll turn you into a goon.
Little bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I'll give you 2 more chances, and then I'll turn you into a goon.
Little bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I'll give you 1 more chance, and then I'll turn you into a goon.
Little bunny Foo Foo, hopping through the forest, scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
Down came the blue fairy, and she said,
Little bunny Foo Foo, I don't want to see you scooping up the field mice and bopping them on the head.
I gave you 3 chances, and you didn't behave. Now, poof, you're a goon! And the moral of the story is, hair today, goon tomorrow.
Oh, look! You're right, Bo Peep. That is a sweet bunny.
Yeah, he's sharing like a good friend.
Bye.
See you next time. Okay, Mother Goose, may I do 5 cat meows?
If you give me cheese.